You'll never believe who we just found.
Guy?
Dawn?
Guy! Is it really you?
It's you! You're here! You're so old! So are you!
That's what I said!
Ah, together again.
These two were inseparable when they were young. Inseparable.
Dawn's a girl?
Hold on, stop. You accessorize with a sloth? I accessorize with a sloth. This is Belt.
Mine's Sash.
Ooh la la.
These are the Croods.
Hello.
Hey.
What's up? And this, wait, no, yeah, this is Eep.
You're a girl?
Yeah?
A girl.
Friend! I've never had a girlfriend before! Me neither!
Get careful. Small boat.
Extra vertebrae? Oh, this is amazing! What do we do? What do we say to each other? What's happening to our voices? Where